Hey guys, welcome back to Math with Marilyn. Before we get started, make sure you grab a pencil and some paper so that you can take proper notes. On this particular lesson, you are definitely going to need a pencil and some paper so that you can copy the definitions of these key vocabulary words. So, I wanted to make sure that I present these vocabulary words as some of my videos require that you know what these terms mean and look like. In mathematics, although it's math, sometimes we forget that the language is also very significant. So if you don't understand the wording, it'll be hard to solve some problems. So it's very important that you get used to being familiar with mathematical language and vocabulary words. So let's just go over these together. The first one is variable. It says a variable is a symbol for an unknown value, usually a letter, such as A, X, or Y, is the symbol used for variable. So basically a variable can be any letter from your alphabet, and they are typically going to be in lowercase. The most popular ones used in algebra, for example, are usually X, Y, and Z. But again, a variable can be any letter from your alphabet in lowercase. The next word is constant. A constant is a number on its own. So a number without any variable attached to it, just the number. Coefficient. Coefficient is a number that is multiplied by a variable. It gives you some examples. In the expression 8y, this means 8 times y. 8 is the coefficient and y is the variable. The next word, operator or operation, is a symbol. Your plus sign, multiplication sign, subtraction sign, or division sign. These signs represent mathematical operations. Anytime you hear the word operations mathematically, they are talking about one of these 4 symbols. Term. Term is either a single number, a variable, or numbers and or variables multiplied together. Some examples, you have 4, 45, the variable x, a times b times c. Remember, if all of your letters are beside each other without any operation in between, you are automatically multiplying those together. Then you have 5w, which means 5 times w, 20mn, which means 20 times m times n. Those are all considered terms. Expression. A term or combination of terms and operators or operations. Example 2x, 2x plus 7, y by itself, or y minus 3, 7w plus 3, 8ab plus 9, and 5xyz. Again, remember that when you have your numbers and letters that are next to each other, as you see here, with no operation sign in between, that means that you're multiplying those. Just want to keep pointing that out. And then lastly, you have equation. An equation is a mathematical sentence stating that 2 expressions are equal. Equations will always include an equal sign. And I'll just put an example here. So say we have 2x plus 10 equals 1. The fact that there is an equal sign included lets me know that this is an equation. That's going to be the difference between an equation and an expression. Expressions will not have equal signs, and equations will. So these are just a few key vocabulary terms. Please keep them with your mathematical notes as a reference, but the more you see them, the more you will become familiar with them if you aren't already. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in to Math with Marilyn. See you next time.